All right, well, the hand is healing nicely. So actually last night, what, the 26th, 27th, something like that, July, I got to start working on it again. The hand was feeling really well, so got all the trim back on, everything weather stripped, got the 2 vent fans in, windows on. I think this pretty much does the whole outside except for the running lights, and then one little piece here and the trim that goes across there. The front's done. I'm going to go around and do some siliconing, and you can see where the running lights are going to go. But gotta do some siliconing. There's some pretty bad rough spots there. And again, this side, the trim's got to go up there. But I got to cut a little piece of board that fits up in here. Perfect. I've already got them marked off. I just got to get, my jigsaw sucks. I got to get something that's going to do it better. It's going to look as crappy as that looks. But the windows are on. And the other big thing, a couple weird things. I got to trim this off. A little piece of trim that's sticking off. Inside is pretty bare, but I put the old, so I've got new jacks coming, but they're going to be here in 2 weeks. These jacks kind of have cracks and they leak a little here and there. I tightened everything up really well, so I'm hoping they don't leak. But I can't, if I'm going to take this to Colorado July 13th, I can't wait 2 weeks for jacks to come, 2 weeks to jack this up, 2 weeks before I start on the electrical, 2 weeks before I finish it. So I had to rig up the old system. I got new 1/4-inch piping and everything coming, and this will all be new. The only thing that'll be the same will be the actual hydraulic jack. That part right there, I'm going to keep that. Probably reposition it though up to the front, because I'm not going to put the water tank back in. It's a 1976 water tank, and they're coming out every 2 years with something plastic, and you shouldn't drink out of or whatever. I can't imagine what's in a 1976 water tank that's plastic. So there's no way in hell I'm using that again. But anyway, put the old jacks back in, the old hydraulic lines, they're just laying there. I want to be loose so I can move them and build stuff around them. The main thing is to get this thing up in the air and get going on the wiring and the insulation and the finishing of it. I can let this thing down, drain the hydraulic stuff, and swap out the jacks and build the tubing and the lines after everything else is done. I can't wait 2 weeks for those jacks to get here, or it won't be done. But anyway, you're going to get to see it. I haven't even tried to jack it up yet. I don't know how to bleed it. I don't know how to do anything. So this might be fun for you to watch. It might not go well. We'll see. It might be oil spewing everywhere and everything else. But let's give it a try. I can't see a thing. This camera was, I think I'm going to set the camera outside so you guys can see if it's going up or not. Try to make it so this thing will, and I can't see what kind of picture you're getting. How's that? All right, let's see. Seems to be going up. Doesn't mean there's not oil spewing out somewhere. Seems to be lifting a little uneven, but I haven't, there's got to be all kinds of air in the line and everything else. Oh, it's definitely going up uneven. Tell you the truth, I think it's just a matter of the air being in the lines and stuff, because it's sliding easy. It's just going up uneven. Back is definitely going up faster than the front. This corner, it's the closest. I don't see a lot of dripping anyway, or any dripping. This jack over here is rocking. It's going super fast. And then the other three are all on the same page. I'm going to cut a big hole here and put, because that just looks terrible, but I'm going to put a big like hatch door there type thing. Looks like it's sliding down. I think the main issue is that it has air in the lines like crazy. The entire line system was air. So we'll see. I'm not seeing any crazy amount of dripping. That's not good at all. All right. Anyway, there it is so far. I think I've got a little bit of a bind, so I